Kamusta? And welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a new episode of Taste Test by Tay. And after being MIA for many weeks, or I think siguro mga 2 or 3 weeks ako MIA dito sa YouTube. And now I am back with another episode of Taste Test by Tay. And this is my first Taste Test by Tay episode this December. Bala ko sana mag-vlogmas, kaso hindi talaga kaya. Hindi talaga kaya ng oras, and also yung accessibility ko kasi ngayon sa mga fast food chains is medyo limited. Kaya ayun, hindi rin ako nakakapag-video recently. So ang iti-taste test natin is the newest release from Burger King, and ngayon na lang ata ulit ako nakapag-video from Burger King. And dalawang magkasunod na episode ng Taste Test by Tay is ang fini-feature is Burger King, pero uunahin natin for today's video is their newest waffle sausage king with cheese. So with cheese yung in-order ko. So ito ang iti-taste test natin for today's video. And I think maingay na naman tong video because of the AC. Tatry ko na lang tanggalin yung noise pollution dito. Pero ito yung itsura no waffle sausage king nila with cheese. So yan, I'm so excited to try this kasi medyo bago to sa akin. Waffle burger, parang nakatry na ako nito before, pero syempre iba yung take ng Burger King because ayun nga, iba talaga yung mga burgers ng Burger King. And I'm so excited to try this kasi nga yun, bago siya sa akin kasi waffle burger siya. So yon. So if interested kayo malaman yung comments and thoughts ko about this, just continue watching. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell button para notified kayo whenever I upload a new video. And comment your video suggestions. If meron kayong gusto makita sa channel ko, just comment it sa comment box below. And if accessible sa akin yan, talaga nga namang iti-taste test natin yan. And please do follow me on my other social media accounts. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung handles ko. And if gusto nyo akong lagi nakikita, just follow me on my TikTok. Go to my TikTok page and follow me sa TikTok. But without any further ado, saan natin ang taste test. Bago tayo mag-start sa taste test, sa pricing muna tayo. This is 169 pesos, and by the way, available din siya sa variant na may egg. Bali with cheese and with egg yung dalawang variants ng waffle sausage king nila. Pero ang pinili ko is yung with cheese. Mas mahal lang ng 10 pesos yung with egg. So for the waffle sausage king with egg, it's 179 pesos. And for this, it's 169 pesos. So tikman na natin. Game, try na natin tong waffle sausage king with cheese. Last bite. Tapos na tayo sa taste test. It's now time for my comment para dito sa newest release ng Burger King, which is yung waffle sausage king with cheese. By the way, available dun to sa with egg. So pick your poison na lang. But for today's video, with cheese yung pinili natin. Kasi mas nag-crave ako sa cheese than egg. Kasi baka masobrahan na ako sa egg kasi kumain kami dun sa favorite place ko sa Clark, which is yung Boom Chicken, kasi doon may mga side dish na egg. Baka masobrahan ako sa egg, kaya cheese yung pinili ko. Gusto nyo ba may explanation pa? So, balik tayo dito sa purpose ng video na to, which is yung taste test na tong Waffle Sausage King. So pagkagat ko dito sa Waffle Sausage King, na-remind agad ako ng Sausage McMuffin ng McDonald's, as in yung patty niya is same sa taste nung Sausage McMuffin, as in nire-remind niya talaga ako nun. And the difference is yung patty, syempre, sa Sausage McMuffin kasi yung muffin na ginamit doon is medyo sour yung taste, parang sourdough. But this is sweeter than that kasi ito nga is waffle yung ginamit na pinaka-buns nito, which is I like kasi fan talaga ako ng waffle, and plus yung sausage, kaya sobrang solid nito. At least daw meron na kayong option pag nagka-crave kayo sa sausage sandwich or sausage McMuffin or sausage burger. Yon, meron na kayong option. If gusto niyo ng something sweet, go for Burger King, and if you want something na sour na McMuffin, go for McDonald's. Pero yun talaga yung nagre-remind sa akin dito sa Waffle Sausage King ng Burger King. So yun lang yung masasabi ko dito sa newest release ng Burger King, which is yung Waffle Sausage King. So it's now time for my rating para dito sa newest release ng Burger King. Tapos na tayo sa taste test and tapos na rin tayo sa comments. It's now time for my rating para dito sa newest release ng Burger King. So for this product, bibigyan ko to ng minimal lang yung drum roll natin kasi baka ma-shake yung camera. So bibigyan ko to ng 8 out of 10. Sobrang solid nito and a must try if madaan kayo sa... Ay, by the way, available to all day, which is a thumbs up kasi, ayun nga, minsan kasi nagkikrave tayo sa mga breakfast sandwiches like, ayun nga, yung sausage McMuffin, pero sa Burger King available siya all day. Kaya kung mag-crave ka man ng lunch or dinner for this, ayun, meron ka ng matatakbuhan na fast food, which is yung Burger King kasi available siya all day. So that's it for this episode of Taste Test by Ty. And if you do enjoy watching my video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell button para notified kayo whenever I upload a new video, and comment your video suggestions. If meron kayong gusto makita sa channel ko, just comment it sa comment box below. And if accessible sa akin yan, talaga nga namang iti-taste test natin yan. And ano pa ba? So yun lang. Abangan nyo pala yung next video ko, which is Burger King na naman. Itatry natin yung cheesy parm chicken. Basta nakalimutan ko. Basta yun yung iti-taste test natin. Next, Burger King ulit. So, for now, this has been Ty, and I will see you guys on my next one. Cheerios. Bye-bye. TY.